my pyjamas on, switching off the lights, when all of a sudden I saw something big and fluffy, which was mainly black and white, sitting on the bedroom floor. What on earth has made you appear? Are you starting a new career? Does Mommy know that you're sitting here? Have you come to stay? And the panda went. I asked him if he'd be my friend, and much to my surprise, he didn't seem to mind at all. So I gave my friend a panda hug, kissed him on the eyes, and put him in my bed by the wall. What on earth was he doing here? How it happened I've no idea. When I'm with him I've nothing to fear. I hope he's here to stay. And the panda went. Woke up in the morning and I must have hit my head. I was lying on the bedroom floor, and you'll never guess who kicks me out, takes up all the bed, and I don't think I can take it anymore. Why on earth is he staying here? He's far too big for my bed, it's clear. He doesn't have to be quite so near, so on the floor he'll stay. And the panda went.